my car. This is my very timid car. It's my favorite Starex. It was my first car ever since before. Bumili na lang ako ng mga bago at bago para bago na yung car ko. So, sobrang tipid niya sa gas. I have my own bed here.
Diyan lang siya nag-stay.
I made it into like a living room, a sala, sofa, bed. And then I have my curtains. So I have my privacy. I have my makeup kits. I have my abubot for my hair.
Yan yung bag na yan.
Yan. Mga abubotation ko, like hair extension, plancha, curling iron. Of course, the most important thing that I will never forget is my baby boy, Yogi. Yogi! Come here, Yogi! Up! Dali! Ito ka. Say hi, please. Say hi. This is Yogi, and he's always present, and he will be part of the shoot today. Ilang cover ka na? 2 cover of magazine na yan. So, kasama siya today. So, let's go!
Ayan pala yun.
Yeah, I'm vain. But in a good way. I want to look good because this is my job. I want to look good because I deserve to look good. I want to look good because it feels good to look good. So, I am vain. But not the vain word that you see in the Bible. Not that much.
Yung ano yun, yung mga stela ko.
My first would be Candy Magazine when I was 13. And from that day on, I thank you God, but it keeps coming. Did you wait for the car?
Ay, yung suot niya naman eh. Tinakpan yung plate number.
So we're here in Better Dog. This is where my Yogi Bear goes to school. And we're going to interview yung mga trainers nila and how important it is to socialize with them. Kaya naman si Yogi sa pictorial ko. So, come on, Yogi!
Yung wait nila kayo nilang ba?
Yogi, come here!
Yung palabas siya.
He's gonna pee, I think.
Ayan ba yun nga?
Yogi boy, you remember your playmate?
Diyan ako nakasakay niya.
Kasi naniniwala ko that if you love your dogs this way or in a big way, then you will become a good mom. That's what I think. But about getting ready, I'm definitely not ready. So, yeah, Yogi is my little boy, and then I'll just stay as stuff. This is the playground. This is where it all happens. Hello! Dito kung saan nagaganap ang mga classes nila where random dogs come in, tapos play sila, ganyan. Or pwede din sila turuan ng different things like sniffing or pang security, din turuan na rin dito. Ng different tricks, agility, dito din kayo may mga instruments ng mga ganyan. Si Alab, this is Alab, this is their Aspin, who is in charge of socializing. Siya yung unang-unang pinapakilala nila sa mga different dogs kasi napaka-NR niya. Kahit nag-react na yung ibang dog, hindi pa rin siya nag-react. Napaka-calm. Diba, Alab? No, it's okay. I'm part of PAWS. Aside from, of course, having German Shepherds and all these other breeds, I also embrace Aspins or what they call Ascals. But they're smart, and I have a dog. His name's Prince Charles, and he's really from Cavite. Isa siya sa mga nabiktima sa mutik na makatay. This is his video. And then you'll see all his tricks. I'm so proud. Can't you see? Oh my god. I'm like exploding here. I'm so proud because, you know, to have a dog, you really need to love them because they love you back so much more. So, I'm so proud na pag nabibigyan ko siya ng pansin, napupunta sa mabuti yun. So, yun, proud na proud ako sa kanya. So now, we're gonna go to Trinoma. Tingin na, shopping. Saan ba tayo pupunta doon? Swash. Tingin kami ng mga brushes, maybe some things for... Antonio! Tingin ka naman! Say hi! With all of them, ang close to my heart would be Kuya Antonio, my driver. He's just so special to me, and I'm so blessed to have him because he's my driver, and the driver is really in charge of your life.
Ate Rusty.
Alin? Ay, hindi ba? Bawal yan din. Kasi Ate Rusty.
I have a certain look that I like. I can't explain, but yun, classic, forever, sweet, mabango. Yung gusto ko. So, I think I'm done. Okay na ako ngayon. Maganda rin ako. Wala. Nung nag-guest ako sa Itbulaga, I had to face my fears. Again, palit ng palit yung suit ko. But I don't usually do two-piece. I'm very conservative in a way that parang I feel like my whole life is already in front of the camera.